What's going on there, everybody? It is TechWares. Today is June 15th, 2024, and I want to talk about Intel hyper-threading really quickly. So, I just watched this Intel, Lunar Lake, Lunar Lion Cove P-core architecture explained by one of the Intel engineers. It's on the Intel Technology YouTube channel. It's pretty informative. I recommend anybody watch it if you're interested in this type of stuff. So there's been an ongoing rumors that Intel has dropped Intel hyper-threading technology just because they're not using it in Intel Lunar Lake SoCs, right? Chips, right? And I read this comment right here by a user, which made a lot of sense, and which is, I think, is really what they're doing, right? So he's quoting the Intel engineer in the video. The Intel engineer said, "We started measuring its hyper-threading value versus its cost, and because it doesn't come for free, right? If the product doesn't want that capability, because it can't utilize it under the power budget, or it's detrimental to the overall performance." Further, he goes on to quote him some more. "Taking hyper-threading away, you need to take the context of power. There are certain platforms that hyper-threading doesn't really help you because you are so power constrained that adding that second thread doesn't increase your overall throughput." Okay, so certain platforms, right? And if the product doesn't want that capability, right? So the user goes on to say, a lot of the comments from Ori Lempel, who is the Intel engineer in this video, seem to indicate that hyper-threading isn't as effective specifically with low power budgets. All right, then he questions and he says, "I wonder if this means that hyper-threading will remain a part of the architecture for the upcoming next generation desktop CPU, which is Intel Arrow Lake CPUs." That's what it is, right? That's what really. It's really that. And there's this post right here, it's talking about the same thing. Intel hyper-threading doesn't boost performance on low power SoCs, meaning on high power SoCs it does. So then they're going to use it. So Intel Arrow Lake is going to be high power. So I think they're not getting rid of hyper-threading just altogether. They're just using it and not using it regarding specific use cases. When it comes to Lunar Lake CPUs, they don't need to use it, right? For Arrow Lake, I think they're going to use it. That's really what they're hinting at. They don't really just want to say it because, they can't really speak on unreleased products. So, and also unannounced products. So, there we go. Even this user says, it's outright stated that the Lunar Lake unveiling that hyper-threading is an optional feature of Lion Cove and will appear where they think it makes sense. There we go, guys. Intel hyper-threading is not going anywhere. And I think it's going to be part of, well, it's really what they're really hinting at. They're really saying it without really saying it. Intel hyper-threading will be in Intel Arrow Lake CPUs. Thank you guys for listening. Thank you guys for watching. And yeah, check out this channel, Intel Technology. It's really great. All these Intel talking tech videos and where they interview engineers and they just speak about technology and architecture and things like that. It's really cool. It's really informative. Thank you guys for listening. Thank you guys for watching. Take care, everyone. Peace.